Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to tackle a common problem that many programmers face when working with bit flags. The problem we're going to address involves writing a set of util functions to simplify working with bit flags. So let's dive into the problem at hand. When trying to toggle flags in a specific way, we encountered an issue where the template argument deduction was conflicting due to differing types. Specifically, when attempting to toggle a flag using an enum and a Boolean value, we face the error message, deduce conflicting types for parameter flags. This caused a hiccup in our code execution, but worry not, as we have a solution up our sleeves. Now, the solution to this problem involves utilizing std, type_identity from C++20 to create a non-deduce context. By incorporating std, type_identity_t within our template function, we can ensure that the template argument is accurately determined by the first function argument, while allowing the second argument to decay to that type seamlessly. With this in place, we can effectively toggle flags without running into conflicting type deduction issues. Pretty neat, right? In summary, we've successfully addressed the problem of conflicting type deduction when working with flags by implementing std, type_identity_t within our template function. This solution allows us to toggle flags with ease and without encountering any pesky errors along the way. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding.